most of the time my hair looks so dry and so rough, but I got these products by Oriflame, which is their newly launched hair care series. So let's see what we got in this box. So the first product is their oil infused shampoo, which helps to clean your scalp and hair. Then we got this hair conditioner and we got this hair nourishing spray. So this shampoo helps to clean your scalp and hair, and it contains powerful oil that nourish the hair from inside out, and it has the sensual luxurious fragrance. Then I applied their oil infused conditioner, which helps to nourish your hair, detangle and protect them from breakage. You have to apply this conditioner for 10 minutes and then you can wash your hair. Lastly, we have their instant nourishing hair oil spray, which helps to hydrate your hair. It also adds shine to your hair. So this is the final result. I really liked it, so give it a big thumbs up.